Hello, my name's Brandon, and welcome to episode 1 of our Watershed Park Exploration Series. Right now we're at Bingham Street and Roosevelt Boulevard, and today we're going to be exploring the northern section of Tacony Creek Park, close to Olney. Right now, I'm at Bingham Street and Roosevelt Boulevard, and today we'll be exploring the northern part of the park, all the way to Cheltenham Avenue up here. Besides Bingham and Cheltenham, gateways are also available at Adams, Rising Sun, and Tabor. If you'd like a Tacony Creek Park map, you can find them here at our wayfinding stations, which you can find at each Tacony Creek Park entrance. They'll have available parks in English and in Spanish, or if you'd like to access our online map, you can use the link below. All right, let's get started. So we're stopping here to check out this little patch of Mayapple, which is an amazing little plant. It kind of resembles a small green umbrella growing out of the forest floor. It's a native wildflower, and it's part of a group of plants called spring ephemerals, which start growing very early in the season before the trees have had a chance to open up their leaves and block the sunlight from reaching the ground. If you couldn't tell by the name, this part of the year is a great time to come out and find Mayapple. In Tacony Creek Park, they're displaying their beautiful white flower, and in the next few weeks it'll turn into a small little apple. Although Mayapple might sound like a tasty treat, all parts of this plant are toxic and you shouldn't eat it. If you've been to Tacony Creek Park lately, you probably noticed these small white flowers alongside the trail. They're called Star-of-Bethlehem, and originally they come from areas of Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. They spread and grow really aggressively, so technically here in Philadelphia they're an invasive species, but honestly I still like them. I think they're pretty beautiful. They brighten up the trail. Every day around noon the flowers open up, and then at night or on cloudy days the flowers close again. Scientists aren't quite sure why some plants and some flowers have this behavior, but it may be to protect the pollen inside from moisture, like from the rain or from the morning dew. This awesome pink wildflower was a beautiful surprise to spot from the trail. Wild geranium is native to northeastern North America and grows only a few feet tall. The flower lasts for 6 to 7 weeks and grows alongside a handful of leaves shaped like large asterisks. Once the flower is fertilized and drops away, an oddly shaped seed pod forms that eventually spreads its own seeds by springing open and flinging those seeds into the air. We only found a small number of these plants out along the trail, so follow our story map to see if you can find them for yourself. Up overhead here, we found a hanging Baltimore Oriole nest, and you can actually hear one singing in the background right now. This branch is hanging right over the trail, so you guys should all have a great chance to come out and find it yourselves. Oriole nests are built like a sock or small bag, hanging from the branches of a tree, woven together with grasses, other plant materials, and even stringy pieces of plastic. The bright orange breast and black head of an adult male is beautiful and totally unique among the birds of our region, and it sings a very sweet whistling song. Thanks so much for joining us today. Please join us next time, and until then, we'll see you later.